BOM Transformation is the ability to take a product structure that has one view and restructure it into a different view. So, for example, between the engineering bill and the manufacturing bill. But we can also use it for the service bill and a modular bill or a system bill. Typically in the past, we were limited to just having one view of the product. So as a consequence, we weren't able to fully implement our common architecture program. So my advice is to use the functionality or the powerful capability of Windchill to manage multi-BOMs. Everything's associated, so if you make a change in one bill of material, it's reflected in all the other downstream bills of material. It just allows you to make the change once instead of several times. And we can also have an associated 3D model that is connected across all those different views. So if you change the design view, the 3D model for all the other views also updates.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking to streamline your engineering team's processes, enhance collaboration across departments, or ensure a more holistic view of the product development cycle, PTC can help. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you're notified when new videos are added. See you next time.